Today, we are drawing this beautiful hat. So, let's get started. First, we will draw the structure of the hat. Friends, put on a hat when you go out to play. It keeps the sun and rain away. Now we will draw a flower to decorate our hat. At last, we will draw a ribbon on our hat. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Yellow. Orange. You can always fill the color as you like it. Green. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.